Hello, this is Mike Lovelady with Magnolia Home Inspection Services, and we are here to talk about how to enter contacts into Keap, our CRM software. Let me share my screen and we will get going. So this is Keap. When you come in, first log in, you'll have your dashboard here, and you can view contacts or companies. Under contacts, you can view a contact or add a contact. If we click on view, you get the one contact we've loaded in so far for testing purposes. And if you click on their name, you get all the detailed information. Over here on the agency information tab, you get more information about the real estate agent. You find out if they're a low, medium, high producer or superstar. You find out their status, if they're active, or which means they're currently using us, or recovery mode, which means they used us before, but they have not used us in quite a while, or if they've never used us. These fields are automatically set coming from Spectora. So the last inspection date, the day since last inspection, the number of inspections they did as a client's agent, and the number of inspections they did as a seller's agent. So the way you can add a contact is add a contact here, but I'm going to show you the preferred way is actually to go to companies. So we have loaded companies into Keap, and you can either sort the companies this way. You can increase this to 500, and you can sort and scroll down to the company you're looking for, or you can just do a search. In this case, I'm just going to put in old. I'm going to hit the enter key, or you can hit the search key. Either way works. And I'm looking for old homestead properties of Texas. So here's the company information tab, and on here is contacts. So each contact we want to associate with a company. So we're going to do an add company contact. And the first name is Sue Williams, and she is an agent. The owner ID is which sales rep would be responsible for that. So you probably leave that blank at this point, and we'd come back and assign that later. The lead source is how do we find out about that agent. So it could be from an office presentation, we got it from HAR, or as a referral from a customer. So we'll just put office presentation. This is the information for the company that came across. Here's their phone number. So I'm going to copy that over. And you want the cell phone in the first field. And then you could put any work phone numbers, office phone numbers in the second field. Her email address, I will copy over. And you want to check that. And then you're going to go to the agent information tab. And this person, we did not know, so it's not set. And they have not used this before, or we don't know, so we'll just set that to never used. And the rest of this information will get updated when we get the feed from Spectora. Save and view. So it returns us back to the company tab. If we go to contacts, we can see she's been added as a contact for that company. If we go back to contacts and view contacts, we see that she has been added and that she belongs to Old Homestead Properties of Texas. That is how you add contacts and Keap. Thank you for watching this tutorial.